Hello all, we are coming up with the long-term test series for Mains 2022, which we divided into two phases. First phase before prelims, second phase after prelims, which we named it as Magic of Mains, MOM. Two innings are there. The first inning starts from 1st December 2021 to 30th April 2022, and the second innings is going to start from 10th June 2022 to 11th September 2022. In that way, we are coming up with a strategic test series which will be helpful to you, in which daily study planner will be provided with target-oriented daily tests will be there. Overall tests will be 250, 35 will be the weekly tests and 215 will be the daily tests. So overall you are going to write for the Mains 2022 250 tests, 35 weekly tests and 215 daily tests. In this, strategy videos will be provided for better structuring of your answers, whereby we will be giving the tips how to write a proper answers, how should be introduction, how should be the body, how should be the conclusion. So we will be giving you a complete videos so that you will understand how to structure an answer in an effective manner. Subject wise, material will be provided by us. Soft copy materials will be provided with value added content, which will be very useful to score marks in your general studies. For every test, there will be a live class where the question paper will be discussed for the weekly test, and those videos will be provided recorded videos for 1 year. So live classes will be there and recorded videos will be there for the weekly test for the discussion classes. Paper evaluation and review and the feedback will be given by the subject experts. Within 4 days, the evaluation will be completed. Within 4 days, the evaluation will be completed, feedback will be provided, which will be very helpful to score high marks in your mains. Model answers for all the weekly tests will be provided by us for you, so that you can know how a model answers will be and how the model answer should be. So you will get a clear idea how a model answer for a specific question should be. This we are going to provide in weekly tests under our Magic of Mains. Not only that, periodic current affairs classes. Why? Because you know the current affairs are most important in UPSC preparation. Current affairs classes will be provided by us. Live classes plus recorded videos both will be provided to you. Monthly magazines on current issues will be provided, so that there will be value addition for your answers by adding the current issues to your answers, which will be very helpful for making high marks in your examination. Not only that, mind maps, infographics, flowcharts will be provided by us, so that it will become easy for you to revise. So revision responsibility also we will be taking in our Magic of Mains MOM series. Frequent interactive sessions with the toppers for proper strategies as well as motivation, so that you will be on the motion. We will be taking the responsibility so that you will be being motivated for prepare for the mains under our Magic of Mains MOM series. Finally, I want to tell you, this long-term MOM Magic of Mains will be helpful for you to score high marks. Admission started for 250 tests, 35 weekly tests and 215 daily tests. Hope you join us very quickly and crack the examination. All the best. Jai Hind.